How to track Shein's refund without your card in less than 2 minutes. How to track Shein's refund without your card in less than 2 minutes. So let's get started. First things first, you need to launch your Shein app and then you log into your account. Now, in order to view your orders, you have to select the Me section and you will see My Orders. Then select View All. As you do that, you will see all the orders that you have placed till date. And you can also select Ship or Processing to get a refund of any order. Now, if you have not placed any order, you will see your order. You will not see it, but if you have, you will see your order right there. You also see the option for refund, and then you just tap on it. But if by some reason or for some reason you cannot find your order, you also see an option for can't find your order or self-service to find your order. Tap on it and there you mention type in your phone number to find your order. You can email or simple if you can type your phone number to find your order, your email, or simply your tracking number. Then you can also talk with the customer support by tapping on the headphone icon. If you have your tracking order with you, you may just go ahead and type it in there and ask for help. And just like that, they will try their best to help you and get you a refund for the item that you have placed the order for. And this is how you solve this problem. Hope you found this guide helpful.